Hello, beautiful divine souls. How are you today? So, today this is Anjali Nair from Divine Light Energy 777. So, today I have come in front of you and making this video to get your full moon message of this month of August 2020. So, I have already shuffled the cards, and the cards are the Guardian Angel. It's from Radley Valentine. These are very beautiful cards. So I have come in front of you to give you the messages, and I have already taken out the three piles of these from these cards, the deck of cards. And the first one is the green Aventurine. You can see that. This is a green color pyramid, very beautiful. And this is Amethyst. And the third one is the Citrine. And now, before choosing the card, I would like you to close your eyes and call your angels, your guardian angels. Invoke them. Invoke them. Call them. Invoke them. And ask them for help so that they can help you with the guidance for full moon today. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And now open your eyes. The first one is, as I told you, is the green Aventurine. The second one is the Amethyst. And the third one is Citrine. So now choose the pyramid, whatever you want to, whatever attracts you the most. Choose that crystal, whatever comes up to your mind. I mean, which crystal you are more drawn to, which pyramid you are more drawn to. I hope you have chosen your number, your pyramid, what was drawing you. So let's start with the green Aventurine. It's the green one. I'll read out the card for you. It is Three of Abundance, a very beautiful card. See, this is a very beautiful card. And now what it is written here, your passions will lead to your divine life purpose. Do what you love and have confidence in your talent. It means you have some hidden talent or you have some passion. However, you need to follow that passion, and that will lead to your divine life purpose. If you are in dilemma, if you don't know what to do, आपको नहीं पता आपको क्या करना है, so go ahead with that passion, and definitely angels will help you out to find your divine life purpose. Learn everything there is to know about your interest by taking classes, getting a mentor, or teaming up with like-minded people. Allow your creativity to soar. Wow, what a great card to get. This is a very great message to get on this full moon. You have got the message that you need to learn yourself according to your interest. Maybe by taking classes, maybe by getting a mentor, finding a mentor for yourself, a guru for yourself, a spiritual guru for yourself. या फिर you need to team up, you need to collaborate with few people, those who just think like you, वो आप ही की तरह सोचते हैं, with like-minded people. And then you find the success is in your hands. So what you need to do is you need to follow your passion, turn it into your divine life purpose, team it up with someone, and your success is in your hands. I hope the message, you have received your message. I hope it resonates with you. Thank you so much. And the second one is the amethyst. Let's read out the card for amethyst. Amethyst, four of emotion. There are wonderful people who wish to help you. Opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. So, what you need to do is, there are actually so many wonderful people around you, those who want to help you. But what you need to do is, you need to ask for help from them. And moreover, opportunities are in front of you. Opportunities are there in front of you. But what you need to do is, you need to notice this and trust your gut feeling. Always trust your gut feeling. These are the gifts given from heaven to you. And just go for it. Don't judge yourself every time. Not every time you need to judge yourself. Sometimes believe your intuition, believe your gut feeling. And now, daydreaming or going within is a healthy way to get clarity as long as you act upon your dreams. So just go for your dreams, go after your dreams. You will achieve success. That's the message you got from angels. I hope you got the message and it resonates with you well. Thank you so much. And the third pyramid is the citrine pyramid. If you have chosen the citrine, let's read out the message for you. Ace of emotion. Now, in this card, this cherub, how beautiful the card is. Have a look. The cherub is sitting there. This cherub is announcing that a wonderful new emotional experience is coming into your life. So go for it. So you have a very beautiful time coming up ahead emotionally. You may meet someone new who makes your heart flutter. So you're going to meet maybe your life partner, your soulmate, in this coming in these coming 15 days, or your current relationship will experience a reawakening. Wow, what a beautiful card you have received. So you have, angels are showering your blessings on you and your relationships. So if you are also, if you are in a current relationship also, your relationship will get a new reawakening. It's also possible that your intuitive abilities will be greatly increased by your open heart. So I think you need to open your heart chakra. You need to open up yourself. You need to open up yourself to love, to new relationships. And if you are in a current relationship also, open yourself for love. All right? So for that, you can wear green as much as you can. So with green color, you can open your heart chakra. You will be able to open your heart chakra. All right. Thank you so much for joining me for this full moon. Thank you so much. I hope the messages which you have received resonate with you well, and these are the angelic messages for you all on this full moon. And I always pray Almighty and bless and angels to help you, bless you wherever you go. You achieve success. Thank you so much. Blessings, angels, blessings. Bye bye.